you want me back. I ain't ever going back to that. I never knew freedom felt so good. I threw out all your clothes, parties after every show, and doing things that I never thought I would.
And one thing led to another, 'cause we'd be fighting for